Alright guys, this is my Jeep, Rusty. Been working on this Jeep for a little bit, trying to just get it driving again. I kind of just had it stuffed away, not really driving it. Did a few things to the motor, got all the tires patched back up. They all had holes in them from running over trees and stuff in the desert, just driving and being crazy. So this Jeep's got a Chevy 350 swap in it, a little crate motor I got stuffed in here. You got all the thermal wrap on the exhaust, you got a remote battery kill switch, you know, a few cool things. I got my remote oil reservoir, so moved my oil filter out of the way of the exhaust because there's just a tight fit back there where the stock oil filter goes. Didn't want the oil getting hot. Plus I got an oil cooler up front and aluminum radiator with dual electric fans, trying to keep this Jeep cool. So, and that's what leads us to today. We're gonna be cutting this hood open and putting this guy on there. So these are my hood louvers. I just got it primered and bed linered. So we're gonna be taking this hood off. We're gonna be putting our template on there, and we're gonna be cutting the hood open. Got everything cut. I'm just gonna clean up the sides with the flap dip, and then we're gonna lay the poison spider cover right on top, and then we're gonna drill our holes and then start putting our hardware in. Got this guy, it's good for corners, the little corner cutter. Open her out and get to work. Here she is. Here's my cut. And the back there. Overall came out really good. Need to paint the inside of this hood, but it was fairly easy to install if you've done any fabrication. Well, I take that back. You definitely need to know how to fabricate to put this in, probably. I want to cut your finger off with no grinder, but for the most part, pretty simple and effective. It's definitely been running cooler. These Jeeps, these engine bays are so small, they like to capture a lot of heat. So that definitely isn't necessary. Definitely helps. Took this thing to Cars and Coffee the other day, and yeah, doing a lot better. Everything in this Jeep is to keep heat out of the engine bay. And yeah, just some ventilation now. I also have ventilation that I did right here in the fender wells. Got that on both sides. But yeah, guys, that's the hood. That's what's up in the hood. And I just got some steel to plate these doors. So I'm gonna plate and then plate and then plate and then plate. It's gonna look like a damn Lamborghini panel wagon when we're done with it. What's your think? Okay. Got my military box back here. Matches the Jeep. It's pretty dope. I took all my stuff out of it right now, but I had all my tools in there. Going to Cars and Coffee, I had some oil, gear oil, stuff like that. But this thing's pretty dope. So, got my tow strap in there, freaking jumper cables, but this box is sick. Has the 3 handles and these things clip down. So those guys just go there, and you just twist them down, and then they shut and they lock down. Pretty sick. But it matches my Jeep pretty good, and it keeps everything from freaking rattling around in the back. My gas can fits perfect next to it. I just recently lowered my seat brackets down, cut them down a little bit, make them a little lower, lean back a little further. Got my Merc flag decal and some custom sliders that I built. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on